Okay, I just got this Hero 13 Mini, so I'm gonna get it out and get it. I guess I have to update it probably, and then take it for a ride, see how it does. So here we go. Instructions, stickers, manual, cord, a couple of mounts, that off, this off. So there it is. And it's a little guy. So there's that. This is my Hero 10. So you can see the difference. Pretty big difference. And weight wise, that feels like half of the weight. So hopefully it doesn't weigh down the front of my helmet. So we'll see. We'll get riding. Yeah, the camera update. This that 13 Mini is way lighter than I was using a 12, just a regular 12 when they're black, and this thing is way lighter. We'll see what the video quality and stuff is with it, but it's definitely lighter. So we'll see. Yeah, on that last road I was on, I think a motorcycle might have crashed there. There's a cop there and some people were there doing something, and then when I got onto the next road, there's an ambulance. Looked like it was headed that way, going pretty fast, so hopefully he's alright. Or she. While I was at the gas station getting gas, I thought that I saw one of my buddies from years ago from dirt bike riding coming out of the store, and he got on a motorcycle. I thought he got on a KTM, but it turns out he was riding a BMW. But anyways, I took off behind him. I was going to see if I could keep up with him and talk to him. It's Evan. Haven't seen him for, I don't know, 10 years or something. So anyways, I try to follow him here, so just watch along. So I followed those sport bike guys for probably 10 or 12 miles across the road there. And we stopped and talked for a minute, and it turns out it was my buddy Evan that I knew, and we rode the rest of the day together. So it was good catching up with him. So watch along the rest of it. Okay, so this is after the ride. I don't know how the video looks yet because I haven't seen it, but we'll find out here shortly. So there's my grandson's Harley. Here's after today's ride. We were riding pretty hard. I ran into some adventure bike guys in Falmouth. I thought I recognized one of my buddies from years ago, and I thought, I want to try to ride with these guys. If I can keep up, I'll ride with them. If I can't, I won't. So I rode with them for a while. So you can see in the video, it's pretty good riding. It's across 22 from Falmouth over towards Route 10, like you're going towards Augusta, Kentucky, I guess, down the Ohio River. But it was good. It was a good ride. So it was fun. It was good catching up with my buddy Evan. So we'll see how the video is. Hopefully it's a GoPro Hero 13 Mini. So we'll see how